Okay, it's time to eat these tomatoes. Now, I have a cardinal rule for myself set that I don't care how many tomatoes I have, I will only have 2 slices of bread. That is my rule. So I got to get creative when I eat my tomatoes, okay? And I'm going to show y'all how my mom taught me to eat these tomatoes. I guess she must have got this from her mom. So what mom would do is she would take the piece of bread and she would piece it into 4s like this. So she'd break it like that. And then she would take the other piece. And we're just guesstimating the size, right? So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to make a sandwich with this, okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to look at how many tomatoes you have. I've got 6. And I can make 4 sandwiches out of these little pieces of bread, right? I can get 2 sandwiches, 2 small sandwiches for each slice. So at this point, I know I'm going to have to stack my tomatoes, or I'm going to have 2 tomatoes without a home, okay? So what I'm going to do, and I have an art to doing this, and what I'll do is I'll look at my tomatoes and I'll see how I want to eat them. So I already know off the bat, I'm going to take this little one and I'm going to pair it with this bigger one, okay? So all you got to do is just take the tomato, put it there. Then I'm going to take my bacon, and sometimes I'll double it up depending on how much bacon I got. All bacon don't fry up the same, so we may not use it the same way. Sometimes I just do one. I'm going to keep this one conservative, okay? So I got that 1 tomato loaded there on the bread, and then I'll take my piece of bacon, put it on top. I'll take the other tomato and put it right on top of that piece of bacon, and then I'll take this other piece of bread and put it on top there. And now what I just got through making is a tomato sandwich. This is how I eat my green tomatoes. This is perfect, and I love it. Now let me taste it. Delicious. Just like my grandmother used to make, and my mom. And if you want to get the recipe on how I make my old school fried green tomatoes, please click on the link above for the recipe.